Congratulations to our new American President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris. Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. This is Ravindra Chaudhary welcomes you on my citizenship study channel. I want to bring your attention to USCIS updated and changed the naturalization test. USCIS has revised the civics portion of the naturalization test format. All applicants who have filed on or after December 1st, 2020 will be required to take the new 2020 version of the civics test. In this civics test, there are 128 questions about American history. You will have to study these questions and answers thoroughly. The interviewing officer will ask you 20 questions and you have to answer 12 correctly. In this video of my study of citizenship interview, I have given all 128 authorized questions and answers. I hope you all can study these questions and answers and pass the citizenship interview. Thank you. Hello friends, I hope you will like my video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press icon bell button so that you can get my future videos regarding citizenship interview. Thank you. Section A, American Government, Part A, Principles of American Government. Question number 1. What is the form of the government of the United States? The answer is democratic. Question number 2. What is the supreme law of the land? The answer is US Constitution. Question number 3. Name one thing the US Constitution does. The answer is forms the government. Question number 4. The US Constitution starts with the words "We the people." What does "we the people" mean? The answer is self-government. Question number 5. How are changes made to the US Constitution? The answer is amendments. Question number 6. What does the Bill of Rights protect? The answer is the basic rights of Americans. Question number 7. How many amendments does the Constitution have? The answer is 27. Question number 8. Why is the Declaration of Independence important? The answer is it says America is free from British control. Question number 9. What founding document said the American colonies were free from British? The answer is Declaration of Independence. Question number 10. Name two important ideas from the Declaration of Independence and the US Constitution. The answer is equality and liberty. Question number 11. The words life, liberty and pursuit of happiness are in the what founding documents? The answer is Declaration of Independence. Question number 12. What is the economic system of the United States? The answer is capitalism. Question number 13. What is the rule of law? The answer is no one is above the law. Question number 14. Many documents influence the US Constitution. Name one. The answer is Declaration of Independence. Question number 15. There are three branches of government. Why? The answer is so one part does not become too powerful. Part B. System of government. Question number 16. Name three branches of government. Answer. Congress, President and the courts. Question number 17. The President of United States is in charge of which branch of government? The answer is executive branch. Question number 18. What part of federal government writes laws? The answer is US Congress. Question number 19. What are the two parts of the US Congress? The answer is Senate and the House of Representatives. Question number 20. Name one power of the US Congress. The answer is writes laws. Question number 21. How many US senators are there? The answer is 100. Question number 22. How long is a term for a US senator? The answer is 6 years. Question number 23. Who is one of your state's US senators now? The answer will vary. District of Columbia residents and residents of US territories should answer that DC or the territory where the applicant lives has no US senators. Question number 24. How many voting members are in the House of Representatives? The answer is 435. Question number 25. How long is a term for a member of the House of Representatives? The answer is 2 years. Question number 26. Why do US representatives serve shorter term than US senators? The answer is to more closely follow the public opinion. Question number 27. How many senators does each state have? The answer is 2. Question number 28. Why does each state have 2 senators? The answer is equal representation for small states. Question number 29. Name your US representative. The answer will vary. Resident of territories with non-voting delegates or resident commissioners may provide the name of that delegate or commissioner. Also acceptable is a statement that the territory has no voting representatives in Congress. Question number 30. What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? The answer is Nancy Pelosi. Question number 31. Who does a US Senator represent? The answer is citizens of their state. Question number 32. Who elect US Senators? The answer is citizens from their state. Question number 33. Who does a member of the House of Representatives represent? The answer is citizens in their district. Question number 34. Who elects members of the House of Representatives? The answer is citizens from their congressional district. Question number 35. Some states have more representatives than other states. Why? The answer is because of the state's population. Question number 36. The President of the United States is elected for how many years? The answer is 4 years. Question number 37. The President of the United States can serve only 2 terms. Why? The answer is because of the 22nd Amendment. Question number 38. What is the name of the President of the United States now? The answer is Joe Biden. Question number 39. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? The answer is Kamala Harris. Question number 40. If the President can no longer serve, who becomes the President? The answer is the Vice President of the United States. Question number 41. Name one power of the President. The answer is signs bills into law. Question number 42. Who is Commander-in-Chief of the US military? The answer is the President of the United States. Question number 43. who signs bills to become laws? The answer is President of the United States. Question number 44. Who vetoes bills? The answer is the President of the United States. Question number 45. Who appoints federal judges? The answer is President of the United States. Question number 46. The executive branch has many parts. Name one. The answer is President of the United States. Question number 47. What does the President's cabinet do? The answer is advises the President of the United States. Question number 48. What are two cabinet level positions? The answer is Secretary of Agriculture, Secretary of Commerce. Question number 49. Why is the Electoral College important? The answer is it decides who is elected President. Question number 50. What is one part of the judicial branch? The answer is Supreme Court. Question number 51. What does the judicial branch do? The answer is explains the laws. Question number 52. What is the highest court in the United States? The answer is Supreme Court. Question number 53. How many seats are on the Supreme Court? The answer is 9. Question number 54. How many Supreme Court justices are usually needed to decide a case? The answer is 5. Question number 55. How long do Supreme Court justices serve? For lifetime. Question number 56. Supreme Court justices serve for life. Why? The answer is to be independent of politics. Question number 57. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? The answer is John G. Roberts. Question number 58. Name one power that is only for the federal government. The answer is to print paper money. Question number 59. Name one power that is only for the states. The answer is provide schooling and education. Question number 60. What is the purpose of the 10th Amendment? The answer is it states that the powers not given to the federal government belong to the states or to the people. Question number 61. Who is the governor of your state now? The answer will vary. District of Columbia resident should answer that DC does not have a governor. Question number 62. What is the capital of your state? The answer will vary. District of Columbia residents should answer that DC is not a state and does not have a capital. Residents of US territories should name the capital of the territory. Part C. Rights and responsibilities. Question number 63. There are 4 amendments to the US Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. The answer is citizens 18 and older can vote. Question number 64. Who can vote in federal elections, run for federal office and serve on a jury in the United States? The answer is citizens of the United States. Question number 65. What are 3 rights of everyone living in the United States? The answer is freedom of expression, freedom of speech, and freedom of assembly. Question number 66. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? The answer is the United States and the flag. Question number 67. Name 2 promises that new citizens make in the Oath of Allegiance. The answer is defend US Constitution and be loyal to the United States. Question number 68. How can people become United States citizen? The answer is be born in the United States. Question number 69. What are two examples of civic participation in the United States? The answer is vote and join a political party. Question number 70. What is one way Americans can serve their country? The answer is pay taxes. Question number 71. Why it is important to pay federal taxes? The answer is required by the law. Question number 72. It is important for all men aged 18 through 25 to register for a selective service. Name one reason why. The answer is required by the law. American History. Part A. Colonial period and independence. Question number 73. Colonists came to America for many reasons. Name one. The answer is freedom. Question number 74. Who lived in America before Europeans arrived? The answer is Native Americans. Question number 75. What group of people was taken and sold as slaves? The answer is Africans. Question number 76. What war did Americans fight to win independence from Britain? The answer is American Revolution. Question number 77. Name one reason why Americans declared independence from Britain. The answer is high taxes. Question number 78. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? The answer is Thomas Jefferson. Question number 79. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? The answer is July 4th, 1776. Question number 80. The American Revolution had many important events. Name one. The answer is Battle of Bunker Hill. Question number 81. There were 13 original states. Name 5. The answer is New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia. Question number 82. What founding documents was written in 1787? The answer is U.S. Constitution. Question number 83. The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers. The answer is James Madison. Question number 84. Why were Federalist Papers important? The answer is they supported passing the U.S. Constitution. Question number 85. Benjamin Franklin is famous for many things. Name one. The answer is first Postmaster General of the United States. Question number 86. George Washington is famous for many things. Name one. The answer is father of our country. Question number 87. Thomas Jefferson is famous for many things. Name one. The answer is writer of Declaration of Independence. Question number 88. James Madison is famous for many things. Name one. The answer is father of our Constitution. Question number 89. Alexander Hamilton is famous for many things. Name one. The answer is first Secretary of the Treasury. Part B. 1800s. Question number 90. What territory did the United States buy from the France in 1803? The answer is Louisiana Territory. Question number 91. Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s. The answer is Civil War. Question number 92. Name the US war between North and the South. The answer is Civil War. Question number 93. The Civil War had many important events. Name one. The answer is Lincoln was assassinated. Question number 94. Abraham Lincoln is famous for many things. Name one. The answer is freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation. Question number 95. What did the Emancipation Proclamation do? The answer is freed the slaves. Question number 96. What US war ended slavery? The answer is Civil War. Number 97. What amendment gives citizenship to all persons born in the United States? The answer is 14th Amendment. Question number 98. When did all men get the right to vote? The answer is after the Civil War. Question number 99. Name one leader of the women's rights movement in the 1800s. The answer is Susan B. Anthony. Part C. Recent American history and other important historical information. Question number 100. Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s. The answer is World War II. Question number 101. Why did the United States enter World War I? The answer is because Germany attacked US civilian ships. Question number 102. When did all women get the right to vote? The answer is after World War I. Question number 103. What was the Great Depression? The answer is longest economic recession in modern history. Question number 104. When did the Great Depression start? The answer is the Great Crash 1929. Question number 105. Who was the president during the Great Depression and World War II? The answer is Franklin Roosevelt. Question number 106. Why did the United States enter World War II? The answer is Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor. Question number 107. Dwight Eisenhower is famous for many things. Name one. Answer is General during World War II. Question number 108. Who was the United States' main rival during Cold War? The answer is Russia. Question number 109. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? The answer is communism. Question number 110. Why did the United States enter the Korean War? The answer is to stop the spread of communism. Question number 111. Why did the United States enter the Vietnam War? The answer is to stop spread of communism. Question number 112. What did civil rights movement do? The answer is fought to end racial discrimination. Question number 113. Martin Luther King Jr. is famous for many things. Name one. The answer is fought for civil rights. Question number 114. Why did the United States enter the Persian Gulf War? The answer is to force the Iraqi military from Kuwait. Question number 115. What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? The answer is terrorists attacked the United States. Question number 116. Name one US military conflict after September 11, 2001 attacks. The answer is Global War on Terror. Question number 117. Name one American Indian tribe in the United States. The answer is Apache. Question number 118. Name one example of American innovation. The answer is airplane. Symbols and holidays. Part A. Symbols. Question number 119. What is the capital of the United States? The answer is Washington DC. Question number 120. Where is the Statue of Liberty? The answer is New York Harbor. Question number 121. Why does the flag have 13 stripes? Because there were 13 original colonies. Question number 122. Why does the flag have 50 stars? Because there are 50 states. Question number 123. What is the name of the national anthem? The answer is the Star Spangled Banner. Question number 124. The nation's first motto was E Pluribus Unum. What does that mean? The answer is we all become one. Part B. Holidays. Question number 125. What is Independence Day? The answer is the country's birthday. Question number 126. Name 3 national US holidays. New Year's Day, Memorial Day and President's Day. Question number 127. What is Memorial Day? The answer is a holiday to honor soldiers who died in military service. Question number 128. What is Veterans Day? The answer is a holiday to honor people in the US military. Hello friends, thank you for watching this citizenship question and answers video. I wish you all the best for your interview. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the icon bell button so that you can get future video notifications. Thank you again.